Today, we're diving into some exciting news that's shaking up the photography and filmmaking world. Nikon has acquired RED, and rumours are circulating about a potential camera, the Nikon KOMODO Z. So let's break down what this partnership could mean and what we might see in this new camera. Nikon and RED joining forces is big news. These two have been heavy hitters in their own right, and now they're teaming up. Nikon's been a go-to for photographers for ages, while RED has been the darling of Hollywood filmmakers. This merger could be a match made in camera heaven. Nikon's been around since 1917, starting with optical gear and becoming a household name in cameras. They've always been on top of their game with photo tech. RED, on the other hand, burst onto the scene in 2005 and quickly became the cool kid in digital cinematography. Now, imagine Nikon's knack for user-friendly designs and top-notch sensors mixed with RED's video expertise. Sounds pretty good, right? This combo could lead to some seriously impressive gear that blends the best of both worlds. So, what's the buzz about the KOMODO Z? Well, it seems to resemble a combination of RED's KOMODO and Nikon's Z series. The rumours suggests we might see a compact cinema camera with Nikon's Z mount. That's a big deal, because it could mean amazing video capabilities in a more accessible package. What features are we hoping for? Based on what we know about both companies, here's what we are expecting. We'd love to see 6K or 8K video capability. High frame rates for slow motion goodness would be amazing. Of course, we're expecting Nikon's stellar autofocus system to make an appearance. And who wouldn't want RED's famous RAW video recording? A global shutter sensor for crisp motion capture would be the cherry on top. Comparing it to the original RED KOMODO and Nikon Z series, we're expecting improvements in areas like autofocus and lens compatibility. The KOMODO Z could be a bridge between high-end cinema cameras and more affordable mirrorless options. If the KOMODO Z lives up to the hype, it could be a significant advancement for filmmakers. Independent creators and pros alike might get access to cinema quality tools without breaking the bank. This could level the playing field and let more voices tell their stories through film. What about the competition? Sony, Canon and Blackmagic Design might need to up their game. If Nikon pulls this off, they could grab a big slice of the cinema camera market pie. Let's talk lenses. The Z-mount opens up possibilities for a whole new line of cinema glass. We might see Nikon develop specialized lenses that blend still photography precision with cinema lens characteristics. This could be a treat for hybrid shooters who do both stills and video. While we're excited about the possibilities, it's important to keep our expectations in check. The camera world moves fast, and we've seen promising ideas fall flat before. But if Nikon can successfully blend their tech with RED's, we might be in for something special. The KOMODO Z, if it becomes a reality, could be a bridge between high-end cinema and more accessible filmmaking tools. It might give creators new ways to bring their visions to life without needing Hollywood budgets. For now, we'll have to wait and see, but one thing's for sure, the NikonRED partnership is stirring things up, and we can't wait to see what comes next. So that's all about the Nikon KOMODO Z. What do you think about this potential new camera? Are you excited about the Nikon-RED partnership? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.